So we're given the radius to be 635 kilometers, which means that we can plug it into volume is equal to 4/3 times pi r cubed. So volume is equal to 4/3 multiplied by pi 635 cubed. So if we plug this into our calculator, we're going to get quite a large number. So it's 1,072,530,831 kilometers cubed. So this is the volume of Charon. Now we're going to take a look at the volume of Pluto. And we're given that it's actually twice Charon's radius, so it's going to be 8 times the volume. So the volume here is going to be 8 times this. So we've already established this in the previous question. So that means our answer is going to be 8,580,246,648 kilometers cubed. So this is the volume of Pluto.